Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Peter. Peter writes from Phoenix, Arizona. Peter writes, I'm planning to refinance my home. I still have student loans. Should I roll my student loans into my mortgage? Good question, Peter. There are pros and cons to rolling student loan debt into mortgage debt. So doing that may be advantageous to you to the extent, for example, that student loan debt typically cannot be discharged in bankruptcy. Rolling your student loans into your mortgage may allow you to invest more and sooner in tax-advantaged retirement plans. But there are also drawbacks, one of which is the fact that you won't be able to defer repayment. So in most cases you can defer repayment on student loan debt if a life event or circumstance precludes you from being able to pay. But in most cases you cannot defer mortgage payments in that way. So it's a personal decision that really should be made based on your personal financial situation. I think with a special eye on how stable you think your personal financial situation is likely to be for the foreseeable future. So thanks for your question, Peter. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.